Let me take you on a path with me. A path that has only revealed itself as I've grown up. And during this time, I've always wondered, what is passion and how can I find mine?
Ciao Fabio.
Let me take you back to the early days when most of us have not a worry in the world and we don't really think about what's tomorrow. Life is simple and fun and supposed to be just that. But as I've grown older, I kept trying to define what I want to do for work and what is that thing that I'm supposed to do. My vision seemed blurred and not clear of any sort of direction. Until suddenly when the world slowed down and I was able to finally see that the journey of life is what helps you to define your passion. You may not be able to see it straight away. Some people find it early on and some may later. In my case, it took me over 20 years only to realize that it was always there, right in front of me.
If you're on the right path, there is no rush. If it takes a bit longer, it's fine. I just know I'm in the right direction, I'm taking the right path.
I almost didn't do this, creating content, doing this full time and follow my passion, my dream. So this is just a sign, man. This is just a sign to show that this is the right thing I'm doing.
Come sei contento? Ci siamo arrivati, eh?
Sì.
Quante ore ci siamo messi?
The scariest part for me, bro, is that I almost didn't start with this whole like content and stuff. Although I always did it as a side hustle and as a passion since 2014, I think. But I never had the balls to actually do it full time, really, you know. And then I was like pushed into it, and it's the best thing I had.